Hey guys, welcome back to the DeeTimeLove show. And today we've got a brand new release from AVI watches. The model number is the P51 Mustang Bottisham Automatic Limited Edition. They've only made 1,490 pieces. The particular model we're unveiling today is the AVI 4069. And this watch within this box is playing tribute to the P51 Mustang aircraft, an American aircraft in World War II. But before we do the unveiling, let's have a look what I'm wearing today. Let's do a quick wristwatch check. And today I'm sporting the AV8 Hawker Hurricane Automatic, another limited edition on this leather NATO strap. A very cool watch indeed, I have to say. But anyway, let's pop this box open. Let's take a closer look at this particular timepiece. If you are interested, before I forget, you need to sign up to this link below in the description, and you could purchase the watch, I believe, in the middle part of July. But I believe it is going to be quite a popular model because in the UK, AV8 watches are absolutely smashing it. I've seen loads of people wearing AV8 watches. They're a bit gimmicky, but if you love aviation, you know, if you're into military aircraft, this watch will be of interest to you. And I am a little bit of an aviation geek. I love to go to the RAF Museum in Colindale, London. I love looking at the cockpits. I don't know what it is. I really do feel a connection with aviation, and AV8 watches really do it for me. I love the designs as such, but it isn't for everybody. However, let's take a look at the packaging. Comes with this outer cardboard box, and wow, check it out. I love what AV8 do with their watches. This is like a drop-off box of supplies from a military aircraft. Very cool indeed. Now let's pop this box open and have a look what you get inside. Wow, you get quite a few goodies, guys, with this particular timepiece. So you've got the polishing sleeve there, very cool. AV8 time instrument. And what have we here? We have a NATO, what is this? A leather stroke Velcro NATO strap. Okay, very nice indeed, very cool. And you've got a toolbar there to take the leather strap off. And what have we here? What is this? This, what does this say? P51 Mustang AV8 Bottisham Automatic, and it's just giving you some more information about this watch playing tribute to the P51 Mustang aircraft. Bit of history, nice touch by AV8 watches, but the most important part is not the packaging, it is the timepiece. Now let's get this watch off the watch cushion. Let's get the specifications out of the way, and then I'll give you my first impressions on this particular timepiece. Now, in terms of diameter, in terms of case size, you're looking at 43 millimeters. In terms of case thickness, you're looking at 13 millimeters. In terms of bandwidth, let's get this into focus for you guys, you're looking at 22 millimeters, and it tapers down to 20 millimeters. Looking at this particular timepiece, let's just have a look. Let's just focus. I don't know why camera is playing up today for whatever reason. I don't know why. Let's just have a closer look. Let's look at the crown guard. Now, the crown guard is reference to the P51 Mustang exhaust system of the plane, as you can see there. They play reference to that. But look at that dial. It's got Swiss luminova on there. I love the sword hands. It's a bit of a sandwich constructed dial, as you can see, that layer dial with the automatic. I like what they've done with the date function there. The date wheel is red, which is good in fitting with the design. I'm quite keen on those sandwich hands. Very nice indeed. I like the splash of red on the actual dial. Very nice indeed, I have to say. Let's get a closer look at the crown guard. It's not a screw down crown or anything like that. Now let's have a look at the back of the watch. It's a clear case back. This watch hosts the NH35 Seiko movement. 50 meters water resistant. It's a sapphire crystal, very cool. The watch comes in at around about £305 sterling. I'm not too sure about the price in US dollars. You'd have to check out the currency, but I think it's going to be a hit. Like most AVI watches, you know, this watch takes real inspiration. They've literally taken the dial out of a cockpit of a military aircraft from that era in the early 1940s. It's a very nice looking watch indeed. There is a little bit of a glare. I don't think there's any real sort of anti-reflective coating on this price watch. Is probably not a must at this price range, but it would have been nice if they did have an anti-reflective coating on there. But it's a cool looking watch, very gimmicky, I have to say. I do love the leather band. I love the way they've stitched that. Very cool indeed. I really do need to wear this watch, you know, to get a good feel for it, to see what it's all about. But first impressions are good. It's an AV8 watch. They're playing true to the types of watches they design. They do take real inspiration from the cockpits of the planes that they're based on, these watches. So very cool. If you're into aviation, you're a bit of an aviation geek, you're absolutely going to love these. It's not for everybody, like I said. It's very much an add-on watch, not a piece that you build your collection on. But for the price, it's a really fun piece, I have to say. So have a look in the link below. Check out the description for more details to sign up for this particular timepiece. Let's get this bad boy in the wrist to see how it wears on my wrist. The joys of the hobby. Yeah, I really do love the way they stitched the leather band. I love, very nice touch. I like it. I like this a lot. I wouldn't mind getting something similar to this for some of my other wristwatches, to be fair. Very nice. Nice tan leather. Very well. Look at the AV8 buckle there. 43 millimeters. I've just got over 6.5 inch wrist. It's a bit tight on me. I've put the strap on a bit too tight, but yeah, it fares really well, fits very well, very comfortable indeed. I have to say, very cool looking aviation watch for the aviation geeks out there. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.